Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off view best score option on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. In the home screen you can find different buttons, and you go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Go to the game button, and here go to the last section, the lab. You can find the last button, the view best score during the runs. If you want to disable this option, click to the score icon, and if you want to turn off, click to the score icon again. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.